Okay, so now I have drawn my symbol. I've created my 3D, 2D hybrid symbol. So now we want to go ahead and place them in the space where they need to go. So all these extras that I drew down here, I never am really going to need them. So I'm just going to delete them. And you have not deleted the symbol. The symbol is now stored in your resource manager until you delete it from here, right? Which you can do by right-clicking on it and saying delete, but we don't want to do that. So we'll just go ahead and leave it in place. So now I'll just double-click on the symbol, and that's going to move us up to here. And I know that my first pipe, I did all my little construction lines, right? So I connected all the circles, right? And then I drew the midline, and then I offset them, and I've given you the dimensions for that. So you should be able to draw those construction lines pretty easily. And I'm just going to select one there. Now the next thing it wants to know is, do I want to rotate that symbol? I do not. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to insert the next one at the next location. And I'll click there and it's fine. And let's do my next one at that intersection, right? And here's my next set of construction lines. Let's go to that intersection. And then I'll go to this one. And it looks like I'm going to want to get in the middle of that pipe. So let's go to that intersection. And look, lo and behold, I've inserted those symbols all in their correct place. Now I also have vertical pipes that are in here, right? I can use my exact same symbol. I know that all of the pipes are 21 feet because I measured them, right? And I can go into the center of that vertical pipe, and instead of putting it in horizontally, I'm going to rotate it until it's vertical. And now that's put in this pipe. So why don't I go over here, and I'm going to want to go here, and then I'm going to rotate it up so it's vertical, right? And I'll come over to the center, and I should just go to the center of this, and I'll rotate it up so it's vertical. Note that I am rotating them all in the same direction. Doesn't matter which way you go, but make sure that you always go in the same direction so that they're all rotated in the same angle, right? So here, and I'll rotate and come up. And now that's put in all my vertical pipes. Uh-oh, I see a problem. Apparently this line that I drew was not in the center of the grid. It's the correct placement for the vertical pipe, but it's not the center for the grid. You see how I have too much that sticks out over here and too little down here? So if it's 20 feet, a 21-foot pipe, and the distance between my vertical pipes is 20, then what I need to do is just move everything down 6 inches. So let's go to my offset tool. I'm going to change this to 6 inches, and I'm just going to offset a line, a construction line, 6 inches below. And then I can just grab this. I can actually do a shift select, select that one and that one, zoom out a little bit, right? Keep holding shift, select, and now shift again, and I've selected all of them. Now I can just come down and grab this one and pull it down, and I've pulled all of my pipes down, right? So everything looks like it's laid out pretty good. So now I have all of my vertical pipes, and if I do a fly around, I will see that they are all laying either on or below the floor, which is not good. But we will fix that very soon. We're going to lift all of this up in just a minute. So we'll go to the next video.